Alright guys, we're back out of the shed today, trying to do some stuff. We gotta get the roof put on. See, there's no roof. First off, I want to welcome all my new subscribers. Thank you thank you for all your support. Also, follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I'll put a link in the descriptions below as well. So today, what we're doing is we're building the roof, getting the trusses done, and we're putting the insides of the support price guys here. That's what we're doing. So we're gonna get to it. We're gonna get cracking. Boards are right there for the roof. Get those cut and get them nailed together. Get them up there. This will be interesting. Alright everybody, here is the trusses sitting right here. We still have to measure and mark them so we can actually get them set right in the center, and we'll be good to go. Anyway, on that note, we're gonna get to the bracket because I broke one of the truss brackets. Yeah, anyway, that's on its way, and we're gonna get these other 6 going and have loads of fun. Guys, look at that. The roof is on. Well, the trusses are up. And all the support joists are in. We didn't do anything else. We did get a little bit on the back wall done with trusses and supports. That's about it. It's getting late. It's also Saturday. Tomorrow's gonna be a long day for me. So, we'll see how it's going. Anyway, this is actually coming along pretty good, but yeah, we're gonna leave it at that. So thank you for all my new subscribers. Thank you for your support and continue to make this channel grow. Keep going. Guys, check out my TikTok, Instagram. I'll also leave the link in the description below. Also, like, share, subscribe, leave us a comment on how you guys like this, or if you have any suggestions on anything. I'm open to them all too. But like I said, we got doors, walls put up. They're over there getting painted, as you can tell. Anyway, I'm just mumbling on now, so I'll talk to you guys later.